Heavy chain stitch is a beautiful decorative stitch which adds texture to designs. It looks intricate, but the steps are simple. Start by making a small vertical stitch where the chain will begin. Bring the needle up again a short distance below and pass the needle under the stitch without catching the fabric or the thread. Take the needle down in the same place it came up and draw the thread through gently to create the first loop in the chain. Bring the needle up again a little below this loop and pass it under the small stitch in the same way above the first link. Draw the thread through gently so that the second link sits closely with the first. When you create the third link, count 2 stitches up and pass the needle behind your first link. To create the fourth stitch in the chain, pass the needle behind the second link. Continue to build the chain in this way, passing the needle behind the stitch 2 places above to create the next link. When you've finished, anchor the chain with another vertical stitch to keep everything secure. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.